Hmm. Hi everyone, I'm Rushali Bhavsar. Basically, I'm from Yavatmal but currently staying in Pune. Today we are going to discuss about OTT.
Hi, my name is Shubham Bhaskar. I'm from Bihar, and today our topic is OTT platform, and we are going to discuss about that.
Hi everyone, I am Tambe Sapnali Shivaji from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra platform OTT
Swapnali, your voice is
that
breaking.
is over voice is breaking.
Yeah. Shubham, can you stop the recording?
Yeah, wait a second. Swapnali, your turn.
Hi everyone, my name is Tambe Sapnali Shivaji from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. And today our topic is the most popular platform that is a OTT, and its another word is called as a over the top.
Okay, so nowadays OTT is most running platform because theaters are getting closed due to COVID and these things are happening. So the OTT platform is going running very fastly. So and in this Hotstar, that is the Disney Hotstar, is most popular and most used platform in India. That is that having a 300 subscriber and 300 million subscriber and 350 million user that downloads.
Yeah, as you said,
And OTT
it's a okay. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
OTT is also used for a marketing purpose or a business purpose because someone want to download the videos at the time. First of all they pay for that video, and after that get download, and that's why people also get income source from the
Yeah, actually,
OTT.
yeah, OTT is as you said over the top. It's a full is over the top streaming services. Basically, it's provide us entertainment and it give us the movies, the web series, and all to watch. For the watching those things, we have to pay for the platform. Like lots of platform are in the market. As Vaishali said that. Hotstar is the biggest one because it's have a 300 million subscribers, and there is also Netflix and Prime and Z, Sony Live. A lots of platform are there right now. MX Player is also developing too much. What's say love and things from the viewers, and these are very good things because right now if you are in a home and you're frustrating from work and can't have to do anything, can't go out outside, so you can watch a film and watch anything at your home from these platforms.
Yeah, in last year lockdown, there is the all the shootings of serials and movies was get closed, and there is nothing to watch on a TV. So on a OTT platform, there is new movies were releasing, new series were releasing. So that was the we getting the alternatives for entertainment in first lockdown.
Yeah, in
It's
last year
like
one movie is released, that is Dil Bichara, and recently also one movie is released, I think.
Yeah,
right now
almost
the
movies are
lot.
releasing on a OTT platform. Like currently, the Radhe is launched on a OTT, and another is the series, which mostly the people are getting attracted towards series instead of movies. So
Yeah.
most of the are taking subscription for the series, that is the Family Man, and this series are is having big much a fan base.
Yeah, you can say that because they are having good content and they're working for the good content.
Yeah.
They do labor hard, work hard for their videos and their web series. So right now, as you said, web series are taking more attraction instead of movies because movies
Oh,
are having same stories like
repeated stories.
yeah. So and
Yeah.
these web series are having too much good contents right now. So you as you listen about the Breaking Bad, Family Man, and there's one more upcoming. What was name? I forgot the name actually. It was a very good
Okay.
movie, and you can actually get a good content and good what quality time while watching those
Yeah.
videos and watching those movies with your family
Yeah.
and with your
What about
friends.
the series? Is like we if we watch the first and second episode, automatically we get attracted to next episode, next season. So this get like what say
Yes.
we get addicted to it. So if we watch first, then second, then continuously we watched it. We wait for the second season, third season. These things is happening with the series. And in movies, we watch the 2 hours of movies and that's it. And the
In
content is like
2012,
yeah,
yeah, go
Swapnali.
ahead.
Ah,
In 2012, only two OTT platforms are available, and nowadays 30 plus platforms are available like Z5, Sony, Amazon Prime, and like that.
yeah,
Yeah, and this
mostly
platform also working good towards the content and videos, and you can learn a lot of these OTT platforms like market strategy. They gives you a first month of free subscription. You can watch whatever you want,
subscription.
and when you're addicted to it, you have to pay for that. So it's a
Yeah,
good market strategy. I think they are having.
yeah, and serials like the serials we were watching in TV. So now they are entering into this OTT platform. Like ZTV is entering as Z5. Sony Broadband is entering as a Sony Live. So we can watch at any time, anywhere that serials that we don't need to at the specific time. If we watch in a TV, we have to watch in specific time. If that program is at 8:30, so we have to watch only at 8:30. But in this, we can watch it any time and with a good quality. That
Yeah,
is
anytime,
more
anywhere.
important.
Yeah,
Yeah, and with
Yeah,
good quality.
yeah. Due to Dish TV and cable and that all are not available on our home due to OTT, and no require for cable is disturb call for person to repair that. No
Yeah,
require all that due to OTP.
yeah. If there is a heavy rain, heavy rain
Yeah,
also we
we
can
get
watch
OTP.
it.
yeah. Even
Yeah,
Tata Sky and all the one stopped
Yeah.
working at the heavy rain.
Yeah,
yeah,
I too have Tata Sky at my home, and there is a heavy rain, and so that's occurring always that network issue. But if we have these the five and all that, then we can access easily. And I think YouTube is also considered as OTT, like they are providing live TV.
Yeah, actually, it's the oldest OTT platform. I think so.
Okay.
And
because some days government make I think government make some act for OTT. I don't know exactly, but make some act for OTT.
yeah, they need to because there's a lot of age circles. If you're below 18 and below 16, you can't see the fight
Yeah,
scenes and all. There's too much movie that if you cut hands and the bloods are coming, so it's a very bad visual for children. So I think they used to
Mm-hmm.
take some strict action against this, that the children can't see that
yeah,
things before the maturity and before the age. So I think it's a good
yeah,
thing. The government are taking good steps towards this future of the.
Yeah, because student is using more like as they having the online classes, so they using instead of online classes, they also using other things on laptop, computers, mobile. So this is the big initiative towards them.
Yeah, even we don't have that much knowledge. Instead of that small boy and a small girl can
Yeah.
teach you very easily that, oh, it's working like
Yeah.
this. You don't have brain, it's working like this. Okay, okay.
Yeah, we even don't remember so many like series names and all that, but they remember.
Yeah,
yes.
they used to
And
say
not
that
only
please just.
children's but also aged people up to 60 plus people also use the OTT platform for watch serials and all.
Yeah, you
Before
can.
lockdown, the OTT platform was not much known by the older age people and like the senior citizens. But now these things are more getting popular. Like we have in lockdown, we were seeing the news on TV that this movie is releasing on OTT, that series releasing on OTT. So everyone is getting known about OTT, and they now getting knows what is the OTT and what the happening there, these things. But before lockdown, only the generation like us only know that about the OTT platform.
Yeah, actually, as you said before that lockdown, they used to watch the serials on TVs and Tata Sky Videocon, whatever they have. So after that, there's a lot of platform like Sony Live. They have all the series, all the uh, serials on their application, so they can watch all the serials there also. Like Hotstar,
Hmm.
it's have the all Star Plus and Star Things
Yeah.
serials, so they can watch everything on that platform. So I think this is the biggest point that they used to know about, and they used to watch about these
Yeah.
things on the.
They're getting to know more about more the things that are coming.
Yes, yes.
And like movies, we were going to watch the movies and paid for like 500, 600 tickets for movie tickets. But now we take like a one time subscription and watch the movies. But also the budget friendly.
Yeah, even a one movie
Yeah,
ticket, you can buy a 1 month subscription for
the
the one OTT
subscription.
platform.
Yeah.
Actually, it's a
But
good thing
sometime
because
I like watch movie in,
yeah, yeah, sometimes it's
but
good
sometime
because
I
you
like
have to
watch
go out and refresh your mind. So,
theater.
but because of this, you have to spend some quality time with your family, that play the movie on your TV, and you can sit with them, you can have
Yeah.
a small chat with them, you can have snacks with them. So it's a good thing. I
Yeah.
think OTT platform is growing up and taking a good market in the cinema and all.
Yeah. Actually, the OTT platform is, I think, developed by the Reliance platform in 2008, as I read on Google.
Yeah, I don't have any idea about that.
I read only that point. Because when it comes to the new technology to come into India, that is the hands of Reliance into that. Like 4G that came to India by Reliance, and this OTT platform is comes in 2008, but that was not so many familiar to us, because due to the network issue that we were not having the 4G services at that time. We were using 2G, 3G, so and not using a router and all that. But now we are getting familiar with all these things like Wi-Fi, 4G, 3G, these things, and everyone is getting familiar with it, and then it is easy to accessible now.
Yeah, even I come to know about
Yes.
these platforms in 2 or 3 years ago. Just I
Yeah.
didn't know that before that.
Before that, we also didn't know that.
Yesterday you told OTT. I'm asking Rushali what is the OTT. I know about Netflix and all that, but I don't know OTT. I'm asking Rushali what is OTT.
Even I also don't know.
I just told her that OTT is nothing but it is a Amazon Prime, Netflix, Hotstar. This is OTT. So she's got what the OTT.
Actually, I also come to know when I have an interview. I had an interview last 2 months ago, so they give me the topic that you have to talk about this. So I used to
Hmm.
search, and also I come to know about this topic. And so
Hmm.
I think it's a good topic to discuss with you guys.
Yeah, we
Yes.
also get to chance it upgrade with it. And we known about like Amazon Prime, Netflix, Hotstar, but we didn't know like these all things comes in that one that is called as OTT. But as we watching on news like OTT, so we got like that, okay, so these things are comes in OTT.
And nowadays OTT taking a good, I think, watching instead of that high budget movies, you can go for the OTT platforms and you can have the best movies and you can have the best web series to watch and all. And you can learn all, you can earn also from those things. If you want to earn, you can make a short films, you can make a film, and you can talk to them. They also encourage you to, yeah, give me that video, I will share on my platform, and if people will watch it, people will love it, so I will pay for you also. So they are also giving a good what's a work or good environment to the good content writer or good content creator. So I think OTT
Yeah.
are working in this grounds also very good and very perfectly.
If anyone having a good content, so they can launch on it. The this the OTT platform is good for us, but for a film industry, they are having loss with it.
But now, because of lockdown, they are having money from these platforms only. Every stars are
Yeah,
releasing their movies on this platform.
yeah. Before that, they were launching on the theater and releasing movie on theater, and that the budget they're getting much profit. But due to this, people are getting actually the move to from movies to series. So the film industry, like they affecting to film industry.
But sometimes also I like watch movie in theater because in home, theater like feeling not getting in home. That's why sometimes it is good for sometime go for a theater and watch movie with friends and all. I think it is also good.
Yeah, it refresh the moods. That
Yeah, you can.
watching the movie with eating popcorn,
Yeah.
Coke.
But good thing in
Yeah,
OTT
that is
is,
fun.
but good thing in OTT that you can eat whatever you want at your home with watching the movie,
Yeah.
but you can't eat anything at that
So
theater by watching the movie.
Yeah. But yeah,
OTT
that's
is in our
fine.
budget.
So thank you all. We are having a good discussion on the OTT platform, and we're having a great time with you guys.
Thank you all for giving the chance to improve my English and nice to talking with you both.
Yeah. Hello all. This was a great talk to have. I discuss with you. Thanks. We have done with it.